Have you ever wondered what a quality remodel could do for your home? It's more than just a facelift. It's an investment that can dramatically increase your property's value, comfort, and functionality. Hi, I'm Jeremy with Phoenix Home Remodeling. What if investing in a quality remodel could save you money on future repairs and maintenance? While it might be tempting to cut corners, the truth is, investing in quality pays off in the long run. Our remodels are designed to last, reducing the need for future repairs and boosting your home's market appeal. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about creating a space that enhances your life, where every detail is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. Your dream home is within reach. If you'd like to take the next step, schedule a consultation with our remodel expert. There's no obligation, no sales, just help. You can easily schedule your complimentary consultation right from our website, or you can text or call us at 602-492-8205.